Hi, welcome to the kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a American flag cake, and it's great to make for Memorial Day, barbecues, 4th of July. It's just a fun cake, and this is one that I made when I was a kid growing up, and it's so easy and a lot of fun. So let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is make a yellow cake mix, or whatever kind of cake mix you want to make. I prefer just like a yellow cake mix. And what I did was I added the red velvet flavoring to the cake mix to make a red cake, and then let it cool all the way. But make sure that when you bake it, that you bake it inside of a rectangular shaped dish. Also, you will need to cut up some strawberries. So I have cut up a lot of strawberries. I don't know how many you need to cut up, but just cut up a lot of strawberries. And I've cut mine in this shape, so this works good for me. That's how I like to do it. Also, you need to have whipping cream and whip it up until it's really thick, like mashed potatoes. It needs to be very thick. Also, you want to have blueberries, because the blueberries will be the stars and the strawberries will be the stripes. Okay, so the cake is fully cooled, and now we're going to take our whipping cream. The whipping cream also has sugar, vanilla, and that was it. And just whip, 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 and then done. So make sure that it's very important that your cake is cool. So you just put it on top of the cake, just like this. And my cake is still a little warm, but we're just gonna do it anyways. It's not hot, it's just a little bit warm. You could also use Cool Whip. If you don't have whipping cream, you could always use Cool Whip. Of course, your quality of the quality goes down a lot if you use Cool Whip. So I recommend heavy cream, whipping cream. Okay, looking good. And this is fun to make with kids because it's just so simple. All right, and just get all of it in there. Now you want to start with your stars on the top left, your blueberries, and a small section up here. And then you just put them on one at a time. And you don't have to put 50 blueberries, but you could just put however many. I like a lot of blueberries because it tastes better with more fruit. So next, you can add your strawberries. And if you don't have enough strawberries, you could just cut them smaller, make smaller pieces. This was one piece, and then I just cut it, get it more. Now we can dig in. Not right now though, because this is for later, but I would dig in otherwise. It's for a treat for our family tonight after we eat dinner. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe so you can see all of our new videos. Happy Memorial Day!